Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one requires a secret code and the second is by using the settings, and of course I'll show you both. And I'd like to begin with the secret code. So to enter it we have to open the dialer and let me enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way of checking those numbers. It will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's enter the settings. Now you have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone, and now let's take a look at the second section. At the very top we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and in order to check the serial number we have to open the status, and as you can see at the very bottom we've got the serial number of this device. So basically that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number using two different ways in your HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.